Hello children, welcome to ICT with Chathurika. Today I am going to explain second part of this first lesson, importance of computers. So in this part of the lesson, I discuss these three topics: identification of components of a computer, importance of software, and the role of the computer in various sectors. Components of a computer. What are the components of a computer system? Monitor or display, speaker, printer, keyboard, mouse, and the system unit. I will talk about this later. These parts of the computer and some other devices are connected together. So the basic parts of a computer system are monitor or display, speaker, printer, keyboard, mouse, and system unit. We can categorize those parts into components according to the nature of the functions they do. So the first one is input devices. The devices that help us to enter data into the computer are called input devices. They help in giving instructions to the computer. These are used for performing various functions. So let's learn about few input devices. Keyboard. The keyboard is used for entering data into the computer system. We enter numbers, letters, so it can type words, numbers, and symbols. So a computer keyboard has 104 keys. Next one is computer mouse. It looks like a mouse. It looks like a real mouse. So the mouse is a pointing device. We can enter data into the computer with the help of the mouse. It usually has two buttons and a wheel in a mouse. So the mouse is always kept on a mouse pad. So we kept this mouse on a mouse pad. Next one is joystick. When it is moved, it passes information to the computer. Microphone. A microphone is the mic that can be attached to a computer. It allows us to input sounds like speech and songs into the computer. You can record your voice with the help of this microphone. Web camera. What is this web camera? A web camera is used to take live photos and videos. Also, you can save them in your computer. Scanner. A scanner copies pictures and pages and turns them into images that can be saved on a computer. Last one is barcode reader. This device used to capture and read information contained in a barcode. Where we can see this barcode reader? We can see this in supermarkets and some classes. We can see this barcode reader. Next, we are going to learn about output devices, the parts of a computer that helps us to show the result of processing or information are called output devices. The devices which are used to retrieve the data and information are called output devices. Let's learn about some output devices. Monitor or display. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows whatever you type on the keyboard or draw with the mouse. So, this computer monitor is an output device. Next one is printer. A printer prints the result of your work from the computer screen on a sheet of paper. This is called a printout. So we can get printout from this device. Speaker. The speakers are the output device that produce different types of sounds processed by the computer. So you can listen to songs, speeches, or your recordings stored in the computer with the help of speakers. Next one is Multimedia Projector. Multimedia projectors used for presentations. So it allows teachers to provide diverse content to all the students in the classroom at once. You can learn lessons from this multimedia projector. Central Processing Unit, CPU. What is CPU? CPU is considered as the brain of the computers. So it performs all the types of data processing operations. It stores data, immediate results, and instructions in relevant storage elements. So CPU controls the computer and process data according to the given instructions. There are the three components of this CPU. First one is ALU, Arithmetic and Logic Unit, Memory Registers, and CU, Control Unit. So these are the components of the CPU. Location of the Central Processing Unit, CPU. Where can we see CPU in computer system? The CPU is located inside the system unit. So we cannot see it from outside. So there is a motherboard. The CPU is placed in the top of the motherboard in the system unit. Next, we are going to learn about memory. Main memory, or we call it primary memory. A memory in a computer is similar to the memory the human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. So, the device which is used to store data information and instructions temporarily is called main memory or random access memory. RAM. This main memory holds only those data and instructions on which the computer is currently working. So it is called the RAM or random access memory. It has a limited capacity and data in the memory is lost when power is switched off. So this is RAM, random access memory. Next, we are going to know about storage devices. The devices which are used for storing data and instructions are called storage devices. They help in storing any work done on a computer permanently. Storage divided into two parts, internal storage and external storage. Let's learn about some storage devices. Hard disk. So there are internal hard disk and external hard disk. Inside the CPU, there is a internal hard disk. So it locates inside the CPU. And then the external hard disk. We can connect it from the outside. We can connect this external hard disk to the computer. So this hard disk stores a large amount of information. CD. The CD stands for compact disc. It works when it is inserted into the CD drive. Pen drive. We use this device to store our data. We use this pen drive to store our music files or our images. So it is a storage device. Blu-ray and DVD. So these are the examples for the storage devices. Communication devices. We always communicate with others. We need something to communicate with others using computer. So for an example, you wanted to communicate with friends during the COVID-19 situation. How did you do that? You used these communication devices to connect with them through the internet. So we need communication devices to exchange the processed data and information. So the devices which are used to exchange the processed data and information are called communication devices. There are wired and wireless communication devices. Some of them are router and network interface card, modem, and also hub and switch. We use router for internet access. Also, we use these devices to communicate with others. So these are the components of a computer: input device, output device, CPU, main memory, storage device, and communication devices. Next, we are going to learn about second topic, importance of software. See this dialogue. Hey Lassie, I want to draw a picture. How can I do it? You need to open a Paint in software. So, what is software? A computer is an electronic device that can process data, but it needs to be told what to do in the form of set of instructions. So these instructions are called a software program. So software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. So it can be called application or simply an app. We can do different tasks by using software. So we can see softwares in our smartphone and desktop. Without software, most computers can be useless. Paint in software. We use Paint in software to draw pictures. And we use word processing software to prepare documents. We use computer games to play different types of games. We use media player to listen songs and watch videos. Video editing software. We use this type of software to edit our videos. So these are the examples for this software. So there are various kind of softwares to do our task. Educational software, business software, mathematical software, and video games. Next, we are going to learn about last topic of this lesson. A role of computers in various sectors. Where we can see computers. In my first video, I told you we can see computers in school, banks, and hospitals, office. So today we learn about that various sectors. In school, computers are one of the most valuable resources in a classroom because they serve so many useful functions. Students can learn lessons using computers. So teachers use Multimedia Projector to display the presentations related to the lessons. So computers are used instead of blackboard and books in the learning process. It also helps to maximize student engagement. We call it computer-enabled learning. Also, we can see computers in the school office. Computers help in preparing timetable, schedules, and it simplify works and bring effectiveness to office work. Also, the internet helps too, both teachers and students. It helps teachers to set test papers, questions, and they can get more knowledge from the internet. Students can refer to website articles, teaching videos, and blogs for more data on subject that interest them. So you can use computers to get online copies of your textbook, which include various features like video tutorials, and digital notebook, PDF, docs. Also, you can watch education videos from YouTube and other sites. Next one, in banking. In banking, we can see computers in banks. In banking activities, start with automating customer accounts, which allow personnel to create, update, and maintain customer records. We also use ATM, automated teller machine, to deposit and withdraw our money. Electronic cards. We can use electronic cards such as Sampath Web Card, Commercial Bank to pay bills when purchasing goods. Also, in the banking system, internet banking and mobile banking are the latest trends. We can check our account balance, updates using this online banking facility. In hospitals, there are many usage of computers. What is this? Thermometer. Digital thermometer is an embedded computer device. They can be used to take temperature readings in our mouth, rectum or armpit. Computer embedded devices in ICU. So computers and embedded devices used in ICU. Treating acutely ill parents in ICU requires assimilating large amount of patient data. So the computer can help process these data and display information in easy to understand formats. So it also used in an operation theatre. For an example, help system. It is complete knowledge-based hospital information system. In factories, computer can be used in industry. Automated production systems. Many vehicle manufacturing factories are fully computerized. Vehicles are assembled by computer-controlled robots. Design systems. Computer programs are used to design machines. In agriculture, embedded computer devices are used in harvesting, weeding and water supplying. A range of automatic machines are available today to ease the work of farmer. Some of examples are a field conditions measuring device, automated water supply system, crop harvesting using robots, radio frequency identification device, REID. This REID helps in identifying and counting the number of animals and also in locating the animals in large area. Automated milking and examination of cows. So today farmer uses various portable computers such as laptops, tabs, smartphones to their farm management. So today I discussed about components of a computer, importance of software, and a role of computers in various sectors. In my next video, I hope to discuss ICT text paper 1 related to this importance of computers lesson. So stay with me and thank you for watching this video.